In this video, we will walk through the steps to perform a hard reset on your Logitech Folio keyboard to help resolve common connection and functionality issues. We will cover identifying when a reset is needed, the steps to perform a hard reset, how to repair your keyboard with your iPad, and general tips for troubleshooting unresponsive keys or battery issues. To reset, ensure your keyboard is connected, locate the power button, and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. Once the status light blinks rapidly and then turns off, your keyboard is reset to its default factory state. After the reset, go to your iPad's Bluetooth settings to unpair the device. Then, turn your keyboard back on and hold the pairing button until the light flashes to repair it with your iPad. For optimal performance, keep your iPad software updated. Ensure the keyboard is fully charged after a reset, keep it away from extreme temperatures, and keep the keys clean. If you continue to experience issues, verify your Bluetooth settings, test the keyboard with another iPad if available, and consider performing a soft reset on your iPad. Note that some older models may have limited feature support.